Pennsylvania Railroad swing bridge, it's built in 1911. This is a replacement. It was replaced with a lift bridge, vertical lift bridge in 1935. So, it is the postcard of the bridge, right? Old swing bridge. With both approach spans of the trusses. Yeah, that's the actual bridge. Now this the bridge in the background is about to be replaced. Now this vertical lift bridge is being built and completed. You see this a vertical lift bridge that is built, and so it crosses the Passaic River in Newark, New Jersey, across the Amtrak dock bridge now. So